Forest. All the monkeys are roaming round, just free and easy, around your feet, so it should be a good day, shouldn't it? Yeah, we don't want to scare them, do they? They're only little monkeys, but we've got to keep all our picnic covered in case they try and steal any. There's Mylo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's going to take us an hour to get there, so I'm hoping that Mylo has a sleep on the way, because it is 12 o'clock. But if not, it should still be fun, we hope.
Yeah, we're going to be dealing with 2 monkeys.
Yeah, we're going to be dealing with a few more monkeys if Mylo doesn't have a sleep. Right, so let's get going. We'll see you soon. Say bye. Bye. Bye, Mamo. No. Bye.
Which way are we going?
Let's go.
Come in.
You got so fast.
Right, which way? We'll go and have a look at the map. Entrance to monkey enclosure is number 1. I think it's up there.
Yeah, straight ahead.
So does anyone need the toilet? Do you want to come toilet? I'm going to take him anyway. Come to the toilet with me before we start.
Just wait there.
Yeah.
Like the little section in the middle, that's where we're going to see the monkeys over there.
Me too.
Yeah, that's where we've got to go in, but we're going to go toilet first.
I just see two, Mummy.
Toilets are over there. It's pretty well laid out, isn't it?
I see monkey.
Pretty easy to know where you're going. Little play area. Ooh. Hope there's enough toilets. You come in? Come on then. Come on, let's go see the monkeys. Right, bye. Bye. This way. Got all these boards here. They tell you about the monkeys, don't they? No, they've got to have the ones that won't hurt you. Look there, what we're going to go and see. Look, Leo, wow, look at little baby.
100% you don't see that.
Look at that one. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. So big.
It is.
Oh my god, it goes on forever.
You've got to look for them. Haven't you?
Hey Mylo, you good? Leo, you good?
Jade as well.
You need to go bit faster when you go get baby.
Hey, what you doing in my house?
Hello.
Just about one monkey look.
Got to be quiet in
Oh,
here.
oh my goodness, that's not PG.
Did it just try it on?
No, he just did.
Monkeys. Monkeys.
Hello.
See him? The little tiny one.
Yeah.
know, he's probably, his mummy is somewhere close, isn't she?
Yes, Mommy.
The big one? I think the big one's his mummy.
No, that was the Mommy.
Oh, that one over there? Wow.
That was a baby of Mylo.
Like Mylo.
That was bigger, Daddy.
It is? Yeah, that one over there is a big one. Isn't it? What? What are they doing? Are they digging? A couple of them are digging, aren't they?
They're doing.
In the ground?
It's digging all bad. It's fake doing.
Yeah, look, that one's scratching his back. Can you see him scratching his back?
Oh, yes.
Put it down. Cereals. Is he just sat there? He's having something to eat, isn't he? Look, so you can see. Go there. Look. He's a big one, isn't he?
Okay, it's looking for something to get out.
He's looking for food, isn't he?
Yeah,
He is.
okay, see the apple.
Yeah.
We have got apples at home.
We have got apples at home, yeah. The monkeys like to eat apples too.
Okay.
Oh! You see the little babies running? Yeah, they're going on the path where the people are. What do you think he's eating? Do you think he's eating some fruit?
Yeah, it's eating some pineapple.
You think?
Wow.
Wow, he's big, isn't he? Ooh.
No, go on walking.
They're all looking for food, aren't they? In the tree. Can you see him? Right up there.
He's like, I know you guys.
Oh!
That one's doing the same thing.
Hello, monkey.
You see it? Mr. Sniper. A sniper on a tree. Hey Mylo. Is it too tiring for you to walk up these hills?
Oh, yeah, look.
He's not a baby. He's big. He's coming closer. Leo, look, the little baby one there. Who? Scratching its bum.
Oh, come on.
Mylo, say cheese. What's that? Say cheese. Take that diddy out. Take diddy out and say cheese. Yeah.
Is he smiling? He's giving him a hug. Oh, look, the little baby in the middle has gone to sleep. Oh, that's so cute, that, isn't it? Oh, mummy, daddy and baby. That squirrel's got lost.
Nobody likes your squirrel. That might be a good day.
Coming, Leo. Oh, there you are. You seeing lots of monkeys? Hello. Kevin. Aww. Mylo's given up.
I don't know why, he's not doing anything.
Goes all the way down.
This is really steep. That's where we're going, down there.
Yeah, back down there, you mean?
Yeah.
Do you like seeing the monkeys, Leo? Do you like seeing the monkeys? They get really close, don't they? If it started showing me its teeth like that, I think I'd do one.
Yeah. Forward. Damn, this is steep.
Hello! Hello! Yeah, it's a little stream, isn't it, for the monkeys? That one, yeah, he's carrying his baby, isn't he?
One, two.
Yeah, number 2 and number 3.
Look, number 2 and number 1.
Oh, that's what they were doing before, look. Number 12, cuddling. Why do we groom each other? Is it because we are keen on eating lice, because it's how we express affection, or because it's our favourite pastime? Males have many friendly contacts with babies. They carry them, groom them and protect them. Can you see the bushes moving up there?
Look.
I see one over here.
Yeah, on the floor.
Where? Oh yeah. You got that one and I didn't even see that one.
Look, there he is.
He is, yeah. Can you see him up there, Leo? On top of this tree?
The people here. I've already seen it. What's his head, Mummy?
And his leg.
There he is. Hello. Hello, monkey. Hello.
The monkeys in here, yeah, people who look after him have been learning about them for...
I'm always texting my friends and my colleagues. Boredom and loneliness will make me the most unhappy animal.
Mylo, you enjoying some food? Having a picnic? Leo's having a picnic. Got chicken. What are they called? Fridge raiders. Yum yum. Daddy's eating. I did say Daddy's eating.
I was in my world.
Look at me.
What about you?
Hello.
Hello.
You had a nice day. Did you like the monkeys? We got really close, didn't we?
Yeah, and look at it. Such a settled there.
They scratched their bums, didn't they?
They did there.
And scratched their heads, and they were eating fruit as well, weren't they?
And eating apple.
Oh, yeah, we saw some eating apples, didn't we?
Yum 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 yum.
And we saw some being a bit rude. Yeah.
It's wrong.
There was a couple of them that were being a bit rude.
It's nice.
Oh, were they being nice?
It's not nice. It's nice.
It is nice.
Yeah, I was just in the whole when it is nice.
All right. We saw some baby monkeys as well, didn't we?
A baby did got to see by it.
It did, didn't it? With its mummy and daddy.
Yeah.
all cuddled up on the tree. That was lovely.
It did it.
Held the baby, didn't they? In their arms.
It did it.
Yeah, it did. And the little babies were playing as well, weren't they, in the bushes?
Yeah, to hide and seek.
They were playing hide and seek.
Yeah.
Right, where's he gone?
He did it.
You're crazy. Mylo, did you like the monkeys?
Was that
Yeah.
monkeys?
You did?
And I put it.
Yeah, they were in the bushes, weren't they?
To hide and seek.
Yeah, you kept screaming.
And I did this.
And all the monkeys could hear you.
Look at this. Look at me.
They looked at you.
Yeah, did this. Where are you going?
Did he want us to stay?
Yeah.
All right.
He did this. No. That's right there.
Yeah. Got a little picnic going. I've got more stuff in my bag, haven't I? I'm not bringing out the big guns though until you've eaten some more chicken. Yeah.
On the United side. Just run back inside. Everyone's waiting for you. Well, not in the mood.
Where are you going? Hey?
Where do I sit? Can I sit here?
Egg and toast or cheese?
Egg and toast. Cheese. Can I have some cucumber?
Yeah, get a piece.
I want cucumber.
Where are you going?
Do you get it like this?
No,